Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the headband assembly on your Sony XM6 headphones. In today's video I will be using a 1.5mm flathead screwdriver, a Metal Pry Tool, the Joe's fine nose tweezers, as well as the Joe's 1.5mm Phillips screwdriver. So to get the process going on this, we'll start on the right side and we will be using our pry tool to remove the ear pad. You're just simply going to get underneath it, pry it up, and it should pop right off. Set that aside, remove this cushion, and you have 5 Phillips screws that you're going to be removing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once we've removed those screws, you have this rubber tab. You can just grab it, pull it out. We'll set that aside. And right here where we have the ribbon, you're not harming it. You could just grab it, pull it straight up, unplug it from the inside. It makes it a lot easier. We will open the cup and remove the main wire. You can just grab it, pull it up, disassemble it from the power board. And right here, we have a tab. Go ahead and proceed with removing the 2 black Phillips screws as well as the 2 little silver ones. Once we've done that, this metal horseshoe should come right out and we're able to slide this out of here like so. Typically, you'll be replacing this part if your swivel broke somewhere right here. Now onto the left side, same steps, using the pry tool, getting underneath the ear pad, prying it up. And go ahead, proceed with removing the 5 Phillips screws. Once those 5 screws are removed, we have a rubber tab right here that needs to come out. Once that is out, you want to proceed with unplugging this ribbon as well. So this ribbon right here plugs in right here through this hole. So here's the main wire. It's plugged into the Bluetooth board. And same deal, we got 4 Phillips screws, 2 black ones and 2 silver ones. Proceed with removing those. Once those are removed, this metal horseshoe could come out. It's pretty cool if you look at them. For the left and the right side, you have indicators. So if you ever get them mixed up, you know right there, you could see the R for the right side and the L for the left side. Anyways, once that is out, you can just slide the main wire out and you have successfully removed the whole entire headband assembly. Now to reassemble this and put this back together, we'll feed the wire back in. On this housing, there are 2 pins that you want to make sure that the headband assembly is seated on. We'll grab our metal bracket, pop it in place, and secure it with the 2 little silver screws that go right in the center. And the 2 black on the outside. Way nicer design compared to the XM5s. Then we have this rubber tab. You want to make sure you include that in as well. Seems like it does. The purpose of this is to hold the main wire off to the side. Once that is done, you could proceed with plugging the main wire back in. Once it's plugged in, you'll notice that there's a marking on the wire. You could just seat it where you have the groove right there to kind of hold the wire into place. And what I'm going to do, or attempt to do, is get this cushion back out. Boom, just like that. That's how it should look. We'll go ahead, close up the left cup. Once that's closed, go ahead and proceed with fastening the 5 screws.
Hey, this is Joe from the Sauna. If this video brought you value, please support us by buying parts, tools, refurbished electronics, or sending your device in for repairs so we can keep offering you free repair tutorials. Back to the video.
Now, before we close this all up, we do need to make sure that we have this ribbon plugged in. So that ribbon, it's got 2 T's. Kind of looks like this one. I'll show you. If I could get it to focus. It tees right there. So with the end of the flathead, I'm pushing down on this and this to get this to plug all the way in and to seat into the main plug-in. And this rubber gasket right here, where the opening is, that's where the wire goes. So make sure it's facing the wire when you install it. It's pretty simple. Just line it up, push down on it, take our foam piece, put the ear pad over the top, press down on it, you'll hear it clip in, and now we're ready to move on to the right side. So for the right side, same steps, feed the wire through the cup. With this metal bracket, the 2 silver screws go in the middle, and then we got 2 black screws on the outside. Once that is done, we'll take this rubber gasket tab. There's grooves on these, so just line it up, slide it down. And to plug the main internal wire in, just line it up, plug it into the power board, flip this Johnson over and secure it with the last 5 screws that we removed. And now using our needle nose tweezers, I'm just gonna line this ribbon up with the main plug-in. And then with the flathead, as I mentioned before, these ribbons, they do tee. So on the end of the tees, I'm just pushing down on them just to make sure that it plugs in. Once that is done, tuck it. Plug this back in here and just place the cushion over the top and your ear pad. Press down. Once it clips in, you have successfully done that. And that is how you replace the headband assembly on your Sony XM6 headphones. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe and the thumbs up, and check out joesge.com for parts, tools, or if you are looking to send in your device for a repair. Once again, all the tools you saw me using to do this specific repair, we do have them available on our website, joesge.com, and the link for each tool and the website will be down in the description. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.